Okay, what I'm about to do is start on these brows. As you can see here, they definitely need to be filled in. And so what I do is pretty much use my brow prop pencil to fill in my brows. Of course, you always definitely want to go in and clean them up first. But with mines, I'm pretty much trying to let them grow out. So I'm just going to work around the little fuzz and get them back going. Okay. And your brows have a natural growth pattern, you can pretty much go by that. But however, because this is makeup, you can fill in the way you want. As you can see, I went in to add my arch in, and I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. So definitely, and this is a smudge free um, liner that you can purchase online at shopwithbam.com. So yes, definitely go check that out. And they have a little spoolie brush at the bottom on the opposite side, I'm sorry. So definitely check that out. And basically what I'm doing is going in and just filling the brows using light strokes. The key to this is always using light strokes. And you just basically keep filling in to your desire as far as the shading. You continue to do that until you get the desired shade color that you like. I like to have, you can have a natural look, or you want a little drama, you can add more darkness to them so they can be a little darker. Or if you like the in-between, which that's my preference, I like the in-between. And I just go in and clean them up with cream foundation or concealer, whichever your preference is. And you see the difference, how you went in to shade it in, how it's nothing permanent, but it definitely will do the job when you're trying to fill in your brows. Next, I will take my Bombshell brow palette and I will fill these in. And I just get a little brush, something like that, and add the darkness to the midsection. I always leave this part lighter than everything else. So I just add this to the midsection, like so. And again, use light strokes. Like so. Give you a closer look. And this is the before. And this is what we have done so far. And again, I'm just going to blend this out and up for a natural look. Again, blend it out towards the middle and up. Now, a lot of people can stop right here, which is fine. If you don't like that chic look, you can definitely start right here, or you can go in with your foundation or concealer, whichever one you prefer. I use both, just depending on what makeup look I'm doing. So it just all up to you. It's your preference as far as which one you like. So I'm going to be using the Pro LA Girl Concealer, and it's in the number 983, and this is almost my skin tone. So again, you definitely want to get something that is close to your skin tone, so it don't leave a white harsh line. Anything that's too light will leave a harsh line if you don't blend correctly. Now, I always like to warm it up a little bit on the back of my hand, and that's all it takes, y'all. Don't use so much product. And then I go in with my angle brush and outline like so. Now, the two products that I have used so far is the brow liner and the brow palette filler. And they both can be found at shopwithbound.com under Bombshell Cosmetic. So with this concealer, you want to go ahead and apply it right underneath the brow bone. And once you have achieved that look, you go in with your concealer brush and you just want to blend it out. Blend it downward like so. And just continue to keep blending. Next, what you want to do is go on top and do the same concept. Again, you can go with a little shade darker than your skin tone on top, or you can use the exact skin tone. But again, you don't want to go too light on top. Like so. And you take your same brush, concealer brush, and blend that as well. Again, you're going to be doing this right before you do your foundation. At least I like to do it right before I do my foundation. Because anything that I need to cover up or to make it more natural, which is my foundation, I will do that with my foundation. So what I do next is I take whatever left on the brush and I kind of stroke this inward lightly. And I just stroke the end lightly. Like so. So again, this is the after and this is the before. Do you see the difference? So again, y'all, it don't take much. It's just a technique that you need to learn to apply. And you can do this less than 5 minutes at the most. So this is basically what it is. And you have your, make sure you go in farther enough and go out farther enough to length of your eyes. And of course, you have the arch. Okay? And this is how, or one of the ways I do my brows. This is your girl Bombshell. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next video. Bye.